Morning.
Hello.
It's foggy. It literally fogged up when I step outside. It's so hot here. That's better. After breakfast. Veggie omelet. May kasamang tinapay, mungga at piña, jowa.
Eggs, garlic rice, longanisa, and some ketchup, I think.
Turn your plate. Oh. Coated banana. Cute little nook with magazines. Le point. Vrienden. Hi, it is in the Netherlands. We're going now to rent a scooter. I've never ridden a scooter. Wish me luck. This is our ride. Cute. I don't know how to start it. It's fun, but turning left is scary because I accidentally pulled the throttle. You ready? We got caught in a rainstorm and there's karaoke happening here at this place and they're singing Top of the World by the Carpenters. Looking down on creation. We made it to Chocolate Hills. It's quite touristy. That's the viewpoint. And these are the hills. So, Miguel and I are in one of the biggest tourist attractions here in Bohol. It's the man-made forest where they planted mahogany trees. But to us, it's just a forest. But it's because they don't have these trees in the Philippines. But it's just a forest. We're soaking wet, head to toe, riding in this. Luckily, Miguel suggested for me to wear my glasses so that I can see while driving because it is very wet. And now we're gonna keep going. Wow, I only hate this a lot. I was too scared to go on the bridge, so Miguel went. Cameraman! Black pepper tofu, garlic rice, fried rice. What did you get?
Beef and broccoli and fried rice.
Beef and broccoli and fried rice. It's pouring rain. It's carrot ice cream. How's it? Really good? Just casual forest chickens passing by our window. Sup, chickens? Got a babies. We're going to dinner now. Oh, camera's already starting to fog up. Going to dinner. It's raining just a bit.
It's a good thing we didn't do a dinner party.
Would you like a coffee, maybe an Americano, cappuccino, latte, a brewed coffee, or fish? Pizza na gulay.
This guy is a class.
O gulay na pizza. Di ko alam. Bohol. Kanin. At Miguel, paano sabihin fish sa Tagalog?
Oh, Ista?
Ista. Miguel got a chocolate chip cookie. Sweet potato ice cream made with buffalo milk. Hi. Let it be known that Miguel is my big brave cockroach hunter. There was a cockroach on my headboard and it ran here and then hid in the nightstand, and Miguel scooped him up with a towel and threw him outside. Oof. Hindi ko gusto ang mga ipis.